I'm here today with this soil moisture meter, which is pretty handy and easy to use. You have these three-way settings, and the cool thing is you don't need any batteries with this. So that's pretty nifty. So you can set this to if you have enough light, or if it's too dark, if it's moist enough, and the acidity level here, you can check that as well. So just stick that in the earth, like in your planter, for example. It's green, so it fits in there quite nicely. And then you can see if it is too dry or too moist. So change these different settings. And then you can see that little needle move there, so that's pretty cool. So you have these three things right here. If you can see that, it's printed on there. So this is moist, the middle one is light, and the third one is pH in there. So this is where they measure the light, and here where they measure the pH levels. So just stick that in and then read off the readings. So pretty nifty, and I really recommend.